What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Here's one old bag that I don't mind being with. So I just picked up this messenger bag, and it's not just a messenger bag, but it's also for 14-inch laptops. So I'm excited about that because that should work pretty well with my MacBook Air. And here it is. Now, the thing that I really am excited about is the way this sucker looks. It is this brown canvas. It has pleather, so imitation leather-like features. And it really has kind of an old school look to it, but it has all the modern amenities that you should expect in bags these days. As you can see, we've got a nice grab handle. We have kind of brass, kind of antique looking brass hardware. I think it's just like powder coated metal, but it's got that nice antique look to it. And this is a really big handle. It's very comfortable. As you can see, the pleather is wrapped around that inner strap. And then we have some straps going down and even some loops right here on the top, which give it a more authentic look. And then buckles down here. But as you might be able to see, you don't actually have to undo the buckles. You just have magnetic clips. Now, some people say, hey, I actually wouldn't mind the buckles because the magnets can open up. I've never had any problem with them, but I can understand some people maybe want a little more security. That canvas material, it's kind of like, feels like a heavy denim. Now, I've actually noticed that you have two magnetic loops there because you have a magnet on the flap and then a magnet on the strap itself. So you actually have two points of contact on each side, which is really, really nice. Then on the front here, we have two big pockets, so you'll have stuff at the ready. And then on this side, within this pocket, you have one of these little carabiner clips so that you can put keys, things that you don't want flying out right there. And then on the top, we have a zipper with a pleather pull on it. Again, kind of that antique brass colored hardware zipper, metal zipper. And then inside, it's lined in a really nice fabric. And here is where, here's where you'll get your shoulder strap, like a 2-inch thick canvas strap, padded strap right here, pleather on the outside, fully adjustable, again, matching metal hardware on those sides. You can see the D-rings right here to clip them on. So you would just put them on, just like this, and like this. And then for me, I would extend this because you got to get over all the muscles. So nice big loop right there. And then on the inside here, what we have is a separator, a nice little padded separator and an elastic strap that velcros down. And so this is where you're going to be able to put in your laptop right in here. And what you might not be able to see right there is we actually have little bubbles, little padded bubbles. So we have a padded cushion back. So as it's kind of hitting and flapping up against you, you don't have to worry about that impacting your laptop or your tablet. And then on the other side, we actually have a zipper pocket on the front side. So you can put some stuff in there and have it nice and secured. And then we also have a couple of smaller pockets and a couple of pen loops there, so you can have all your office accessories with you. Then on the actual edge, we have a little canvas pocket here. It's pretty small, maybe a small water bottle would fit in there. And then the same on this side. They're not elastic or mesh, so you wouldn't be able to put a lot in there, but like a battery pack or a power bank or something like that would be perfect. And as you can see, it all comes together just like this. Oh, and then on the back, we also have another zipper pocket that goes all the way down, so you can put more stuff in there. Now, if I just close this sucker up like this, boom, boom, and then throw it over my shoulder, man, I make this look good. That's actually, there's so much strap on here, it's actually a little lower than I would like. Right there, just like that, baby. Or you can do the cool thing and throw it over your back, just like this. Boom! Oh yeah, oh yeah. You might get sold on it because of how good I make this look. But what I really like about this is it's got a nice casual look. It's kind of timeless in its way. It's not really ostentatious, showy. You know, it's almost a little hipsterish, but I really like this look. And again, these aren't expensive, so you can definitely use these things and beat them up and not have to worry about it. Obviously, it's got all the protection for laptops and electronics that you would expect, but it's great. It kind of fits every style and every need, and you can pick these up all day long on Amazon. And I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.